Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about adverbs. Adverbs is a very plays an important role in parts of speech. So, what is an adverb? Adverb is basically, or to be precise, most adverbs tell us how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some examples are kind, which is an adjective, becomes kindly when it is adverb. Happy becomes happily. Wonderful becomes wonderfully. Loud becomes loudly. Sad becomes sadly. Beautiful becomes beautifully. Sweet becomes sweetly. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to the adjectives. We should also know that some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. For example, some was feeling very lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. All these are adjectives. They are not adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. They are adverbs of manners, which describes in which manner an action is done. Adverb of place. It describes where an action is done. Adverb of time. It describes when an action is done. Adverb of frequency. It shows how many times an action is done. And the last one is adverb of purpose or reason. It describes the purpose or reason for the action. Kinds of adverbs. Quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. Affirmation or negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Let's go in details. Adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. For example, the boys are playing upstairs. So if we ask where are the boys playing, we get the answer upstairs. So over here upstairs is adverb of place. Similarly, the dog is in the garden. We are going to New York City on our school trip. It is a very sunny but cold outside. Adverb of places. I have lived here for about 2 years. This also answer where have you lived here for 2 years? It is here. English and German are closely related. Is Mark still in bed? His children go everywhere with him. Adverbs of manner. Some adverb and adverb phrase describe the way people do things. Suppose, for example, the girls answered all the questions correctly. So, if we ask how did the girls answer all the questions, it would be correctly. He was driving carelessly. How was he driving? Carelessly. So, adverb of manner answers the question how. The plane landed safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. Adverb of manner, more examples. They watched carefully. How did they watch? Carefully. The flower was beautifully made up. She seemed faintly. The teacher played wonderfully. Adverbs of frequency. Some adverb and adverb phrase answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverb of frequency. The children always go to school on the bus. So we ask how often the children go to school. They go always. I'll never make the mistake again. So never. I clean my bedroom every day. So the event is having every day. So every day is the adverb. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. So how many days dad polishes his shoes? Twice a week. Adverb of time. When adverb and adverb phrase answer the question when, they are called adverbs of time. For example, train has already left. So when had the train left? It already left. We moved into a new house last week. When did we move into a new house? last week. So it answers the question when. Our favorite team program starts at 6 o'clock. I am going to my new school tomorrow. Adverbs of time, more example. We shall now begin to work. He called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. Mr. Gupta formerly lived here. Adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what extent degree or to what extent. He was too careless. So, how much careless he was? He was too careless. The sea is very stormy. I am rather busy. I am fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. Adverb of reason. The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. The adverb of reason is not that important, but children, you should be learning about adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and for your syllabus. If you have any further problems, do come back to me. Thank you.